Hey, what's going on, guys? Bennie Childs, founder of the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community, and I'm back with another inspirational video, guys. Listen, this is for all of the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community who have small accounts. Like, this is how you grow a small account. All right, you learn supply and demand. All right, you learn how to listen to the market. You learn how to watch the market. All right, and you compound. All right, you take your trades. You take what the market is giving you. All right, now again, this is a small account. Bam. We do this often. I do this often. I do this for the underdogs. I do this for people who don't have much, you know. So bam, here we go. Current balance is $62.75. Our equity is $70.47. 10-cent trade, turning 10 cent right now into 8 cent. All right, you see the take profit right there. It's flirting with the take profit. Okay, right now I have it on the 30-minute chart. All right, if you have a small account, this is what I recommend. All right, this is only a recommendation. I recommend you putting in at least $200 and you trade at 10 cent and you trade the S&P 500. Okay, and trading the S&P 500, all right, we know that with trading at 10 cent on the S&P 500, just $6 and well, now $7, we're up 70 pips or 7,000 points. All right, it depends on what background you're from. If you're from stock, then it's points. All right, if you're from Forex, then it's pips. All right, but this is how you grow. This is how you grow a small account. Now it's flirting with my take profit. Okay, it's flirting with this demand zone where I have my take profit. Normally I wouldn't have my take profit all the way up on the demand zone like that. Okay, so we may want to go ahead and just move our stop loss. So I'm eyeballing the 34.39.60 level. All right, so I'm going to hop over here. Great, my signal's all messed up now. So all right, there's my signal. So 34.39.60. Okay, let's see if we can edit this thing. Nope, we can't edit it yet. There we go. What did we say it was? 34.39.60. 34.39.60. Let's go ahead and move that stop loss down. Bam. Okay, so we're at guaranteed profits. All right, it's not that much, but what I want to do is try to give it a little bit of breathing room. All right, or if you can say, if you want, you can say, okay, well, $6 is a good amount for me. You know, 70 pips is a good amount for me. Let me go ahead and close out. But me, I am thinking this thing is going to pull back. It's going to pull all the way down to be honest with you, let me put this here. I think that we're going to get 50% of this shift candle right here. All right. And that's on the 30-minute candle. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. Yeah, I mean, because we could possibly see it come all the way down to this demand area right here. All right, on the 4-hour. But we don't have to be greedy. Okay, so we can take our